Good morning, students. Today we will continue the previous topic, differentiation of trigonometrical functions by transforming them into simple functions. Now we are going to explain some other questions. Just see. It is given that y equals sin inverse x under root 1 minus x minus under root x under root 1 minus x square. We have to differentiate this function. Can you imagine which formula is this? I think there is no formula just like this. So we will try to simplify it by using trigonometrical transformations. Let x equals sin theta and under root x equals sin phi. Put this value, we get y equals sin inverse x is sin theta. So this becomes sin theta under root 1 minus x is equals to under root x square, so we can write it 1 minus sin square phi minus under root x is sin phi under root 1 minus x is sin theta, sin square theta. Now this becomes under root 1 minus sin square phi is equals to cos phi and 1 minus sin square theta is equals to cos theta. Now this is a trigonometrical formula of sin A minus B. Sin theta cos phi minus cos theta sin phi. This can be written as sin theta minus phi. Sin inverse and sin will cancel each other. The function will remain theta minus phi. Now put the value of theta. Theta is equals to sin inverse x and phi is equals to sin inverse under root x. Now we will differentiate it. Dy over dx equals d over dx sin inverse x minus d over dx sin inverse under root x. What is the differentiation of sin inverse x? Sin inverse x is equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square minus differentiation of sin inverse root x is 1 upon under root 1 minus under root x the whole square into dy over dx under root x. Clear? Now solve it. 1 upon under root 1 minus x square minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x, and what is the differentiation of under root x? 1 upon 2 root x equal 1 upon under root 1 minus x is common. 1 upon under root 1 minus x. 1 upon under root 1 plus x minus 1 upon 2 root. This is your solution. Now see another question. You have given that y equal under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x. You have to differentiate this function and find the value of dy over dx. यहाँ पे cot इनवर्स और x और लगा लीजिए. Cot inverse. Now this is the complete function. You have to differentiate this function. What we can do? First we will find the value of under root 1 plus sin x. We will try to simplify this function. Under root 1 plus sin x can be written as, in place of 1 we can write sin square xy2 plus cos square xy2, because sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, so we can write in place of 1 sin square xy2 plus cos square xy2 plus sin x is written as 2 sin xy2 cos xy2. This is the formula of sin xy2 plus cos xy2 whole square. Similarly, we can write under root 1 minus sin x equal sin square xy2 plus cos square xy2 minus 2 times sin xy2 cos xy2. This is sin xy2 minus cos xy2 whole square. Now put these values in the given function and simplify the function. Y is equals to cot inverse sin xy2 plus cos xy2 one thing is missing. This is square root. This is square root. So this is equals to sin xy2 plus cos xy2. Similarly, this is whole square root, this is under the square root, and this is equals to sin xy2 minus cos xy2. Now under root 1 plus sin x is equals to sin xy2 plus cos xy2, and under root 1 minus sin x is equals to sin xy2 minus cos xy2 plus sin xy2 minus cos xy2 upon sin xy2 plus cos xy2. Now there is minus sign, so minus sin xy2 and minus minus plus cos xy2. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, will cancel each other. Then the remaining function is cot inverse 2 sin xy2 upon 2 cos xy2. 2 and 2 we cancel out. This is equals to cot inverse tan xy2. This is cot and this is tan. So we have to convert the tan into cot. And how can we convert tan into cot? dy over dx is equals to, y equals to cot inverse tan pi by 2 plus x by 2. Cot 90 plus theta is tan theta. So we can write tan theta equals to cot 90 plus theta. Now cot inverse and cot will cancel each other. The function will remain pi by 2 plus x by 2. Differentiate it, dy over dx equals d over dx pi by 2 plus x by 2 equal, differentiation of pi by 2 is 0 and the differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 equal 1 by 2. This is your answer. See this question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in doubt group. Now see another question. Y equal tan inverse x upon 1 plus under root 1 plus 1 minus x square. How can we solve it? I have given you some substitution. When function is of the form under root a square minus x square, then we have to put x equal a sin theta or a cos theta. Here a is 1, so we will put x equal sin theta. You can put x equal cos theta also. Y equal tan inverse sin theta upon 1 plus under root 1 minus sin square theta equal tan inverse sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Tan inverse sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancel out, cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cancel out. The function will remain tan inverse tan theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 is equals to tan theta by 2. Tan inverse and tan will cancel each other. Y is equals to theta by 2. Put the value of theta 1 by 2 sin inverse x. Now differentiate it. dy over dx equal 1 by 2 d over dx sin inverse x equal 1 by 2 into 1 upon under root 1 minus x square equal 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square. This is the value of dy over dx. So in this way you can simplify the given functions by different methods, by substitution, by using trigonometrical formulas. You have to simplify the function and then differentiate the given function and find the value of dy over dx. Now do the given questions of the exercise, and if you have any problem in any question then you can ask to me. Thank you.